The nature will be always hidden because of there are so many things are not found for us because of we are not looking on that things. See, the nature will be always showing itself. See here, this bird will be itself bathing, and during this bath this very rare thing will be happening, and it is try to control by itself the temperature of its body because of during the summer days it's very important for them. Due to summer very high temperature, the bird is trying to survive itself. By itself it will be trying to survive due to because of the bird is trying to bath inside the water, and there are so many birds are trying to bath always to control